Hi and welcome to a new video. Do you want to create a shortcut on Snapchat so that you can send snaps simultaneously instead of individually? In this video, I will show you an easy way on how to create the shortcut. Let's go. If you want to keep up with your streaks, then utilizing the shortcuts feature will be helpful for you. To do so, open Snapchat and tap on the Chat tab. On the upper right corner, click on the three dots and tap the New Shortcut feature, where you can add the friends you frequently send snaps to. If this option is not showing on your phone, try updating the app. You can check if there is an available update by searching for Snapchat in the App Store. Once you've selected who should be included in the group, tap on the search bar that says Choose Emoji and add an emoji to categorize this group. When you're done, click on Create Shortcut. It will then be displayed as your chosen emoji. To send snaps to this group, upload or take a photo, then tap Send To where you can see your emoji on top. Click on it and select all the names. Finally, send it. You can, of course, add more shortcuts if you like. To do so, tap on Shortcuts and choose Add Shortcut. Moreover, if you no longer use the shortcut, you can tap on the right arrow beside the names, and on the upper right corner is the option to delete it. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Leave a comment down below if you have any questions. See you next time. Bye.